It's Indiana John here. I just finished the heat treatment on the Kukri balisong blade. If I can use my little tripod thing. Alright. Just finished heat treatment, and I think came out pretty well. It does sound a little bumpy, but it's hard. I used the angle grinder, so it's kind of bumpy, but as far as like grinding with the file, it's not moving any metal. So definitely harder than the file is. All right. Also, ooh, that was close. Also, the handles are all done. I've countersunk the hole for the pivot, so it will sit all the way flush. If I can get it in there. Yeah. So that goes all the way down. Because without it countersunk, it wasn't quite long enough to reach all the way through both handles and the blade. So when this is done, this is gonna be all shiny, nice and crowned and all that stuff. It's gonna have where'd it go? That pivot with the fancy little swirly thingy on the top, and the screw looks just like that. It's got big old bushings, has the shouldered Zen pin. It's really nice. I might use hex nuts as barrel spacers, or not barrel spacers, but block spacers to go over barrel spacers. These here. Yeah. So close to being done. I'll do not really a review, but I don't know, video on this when it's all finished. Thanks for watching.